In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make alt accounts for Steam. Whether you're looking to manage multiple gaming accounts, explore new strategies, or simply maintain a separate profile, setting up an alternative account on Steam can be a handy tool. Let's dive right in and explore the process, one step at a time, making it easy for you to get up and running with your alt account in no time. First off, the very beginning of creating an alternate account is ensuring you're logged completely out of your current Steam account. Double-check this step to avoid any mix-ups later on. Visit the Steam website in your preferred browser and, without logging in, direct yourself to the top right corner and click on the Login button. Here, you'll see an option that says Join Steam. Click on this to start the registration process. As you're brought to a new page, it's time to enter your email address. A quick tip here is to use an email that you have easy access to and, preferably, something different from your main account for clear distinction and organization. Confirm your email address by entering it again, making sure there are no typos. Now, confirm you're not a robot with a quick CAPTCHA check. These steps ensure security and keeps you, as a user, safe. After successfully entering your email addresses and finishing the CAPTCHA, head to your email inbox. Steam will send you a verification email, so be sure to locate that, and click on the provided link. This step officially connects your new account with the email, and it's a crucial part of the security verification system. Once your email is verified, you'll be whisked back to the Steam page to set up your Steam account. Now, it's time to create a username that reflects your gaming persona. This is where you can let your creativity come to life, but keep in mind to choose something appropriate and, ideally, unique. Proceed with setting a strong, secure password. Remember, a well-developed password includes a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols, making sure your account has a robust defense against any unwanted access. With your credentials in place, click on the Complete Sign Up button. Congratulations, you now have an alt account on Steam. You can now download the Steam client, log in with your new credentials, and start exploring or gaming. A quick tip for managing multiple accounts is to take advantage of Steam's family sharing feature if you wish to access games across accounts. To conclude, making an alt Steam account can be a straightforward but effective way to enhance your gaming experience. Whether you're aiming to try different strategies or manage separate gaming personas, now you have the tools to do so efficiently. Enjoy your gaming adventures and make the most out of your new alt account. Thank you for watching, and happy gaming!